The PGE, it's expired. We need... The pharmacy says we don't have another lot. Our entire supply's expired.
When we go to the medical store to buy an antibiotic or something like that, the medical store will say that one, okay, this brand is not there. The similar medicine, I will give it from another brand. How safe is that one? How good is that one to buy? Because sometimes it will be a low cost or sometimes it will be a high cost. It doesn't matter, but changing the brand is good.
Sometimes it's okay if it is basic medication like paracetamol or Dolo, that you use alternate brands that have been there in the market for a long time. That is okay. Specifically when it comes to higher end medications like maybe slightly higher end antibiotics or certain important medicines to control some blood conditions or chemotherapy for that matter. There is a reason we recommend certain brands, and yes, it may be a little more expensive compared to some more common brands that may be recommended by your general pharmacist. But the reason we try to stick to these brands, or recommend these brands, is because we know that a certain amount of medicine is actually there in it. Not all brands will make the medicine of the same strength, even though it is predicted so on the packaging. Some medicines or some brands might only have put about 70 or 80% of the medicine, and we would have picked it up, the efficacy of those medicines, because we would have given it to maybe 50 patients, and different brands might not have worked for different patients, but one or two particular brands would have actually given great results. So that is mostly the reason why we stick to certain trusted, tried and trusted brands, so that we know that it's worked for most of our patients, so it is going to help you out. On the other hand, when patients try to take alternate brands, either it could be for cost or following recommendations from the local pharmacist, they tend to come back with the same complaints, which has not been resolved. And then we have to put an extra brain work and think, okay, why is the same medicine not work? And then we find out, okay, the company is different. And we a lot of times see that when we switch the brand or switch the company to the right one, we see a lot of difference.